Then of course I put a chain link fence up all the way along the extension of the Boston Bridge here to keep pedestrians safe and keep them obviously out of the work zone as well. And there are people actively working today, so pardon the noise. As I get a little bit further down here, I'm actually going to show you the decking itself. Alright, so this part here is where they've actually gone over the steel girders, and this is what I would suppose to be the rebar reinforcement for the actual concrete decking. This has been poured the entire last 1/3 of the bridge. So I guess from this point here, this area right here, I guess, is primed for concrete to begin. As you can see across the way there, they still have no handrails up, nor do they have the sidewalk poured over there yet. But everything is in place and ready to go.